Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to create a SVG file, how to download an SVG file and create a mesh with that image in Blender. So first, go to internet browser and type free SVG icon. You can type any free SVG icon. I'm going to go in this site and I'm going to type one cat. So these are all our SVG items. I like this image, so I'm going to download it. So here is our download file. So go in Blender. There is this icon, and then import our file. Import scale, scalable vector graphics. Scalable vector graphics. This is the SVG file. So click on this file and search for your file where you have downloaded. I have downloaded here. So it will take some time. So this is our file. So press R, Z and 90. Rotate it like this and type 90 here. Right click, enter pivot and just rotate it a little bit nicely. Type 90 here, type 0 here and 0 here. So this is our vector file, SVG file. So if you want to give the thickness, go here in data, go in geometry and click on extrude, like this extrude. And if you want to add some bevel, go in object, roundness and add some bevel to it. Type 0.05, 0.01, 0.001. So here is our bevel also. If you want, you can also add new material to this object. Add new material, give black color. So like this, you can create a 3D model with SVG file. Very simple to create this kind of SVG file logos. If you want to give different color, you can go different color. So this is a very quick video on how to create and mesh with SVG file in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.